Welcome to Gentle Mind Shift. Today, we explore how loving yourself becomes the ultimate key to completely transforming your entire life. You must realize that you were born as a completely rare and magnificent expression of the universe, worthy of absolute love. Yet, many of us spend our days feeling entirely exhausted because we keep giving far too much to everyone around us. We constantly chase external standards of perfection, forgetting the beautiful truth that true worth is already perfectly planted deep inside us. This harshness toward ourselves creates deep, invisible wounds, making us feel like we are never truly enough in this demanding world. It is time to gently release those heavy expectations and start embracing the beautiful person you see reflecting in the mirror. Self-love is never just a fleeting feeling. It is a powerful daily practice that requires your constant attention and deep commitment. It means choosing absolute kindness for yourself, especially during those difficult moments when you feel completely broken, lost, or deeply uncertain. When you finally decide to set healthy personal boundaries, you are actually building a safe fortress for your own precious energy. Imagine your mind as a sacred garden. You must carefully pull out the toxic weeds of doubt to let flowers bloom. To truly understand this profound transformation, we will explore the powerful framework known as the 3 mirrors of personal self-discovery. The first mirror is your inner dialogue. How you speak to yourself acts as a direct command to your nervous system. Every single negative thought you repeat silently creates a heavy chain, pulling you down into a dark spiral of unnecessary suffering. You must actively transform those harsh internal criticisms into gentle whispers of encouragement, pure compassion, and genuine understanding for your soul. When you speak kindly to your own heart, your entire body relaxes, completely releasing years of stored tension and deep anxiety. The second mirror focuses deeply on body care. You must view your physical form as a sacred vessel needing gentle appreciation. Stop treating your beautiful body like an enemy to be conquered and start treating it like a beloved friend needing comfort. Simple acts like getting enough restful sleep and drinking pure water become profound declarations of deep respect for your physical existence. Joyful movement is never about punishment. It is a wonderful celebration of what your amazing body can gracefully achieve every day. When you nourish yourself properly, you are silently telling the entire universe that you truly matter and deserve the absolute best. The third mirror is about your time investment. Look closely at your daily schedule to see what truly feeds your soul. Are your daily routines constantly draining your vital energy? Or are they carefully designed to uplift your spirit and bring peace? You must learn the incredible power of saying no to anything that silently depletes your precious mental and emotional energy reserves. Saying no to others often means saying a beautiful yes to your own deeply neglected needs and your personal emotional healing. By fiercely protecting your time, you create abundant open space for magical new opportunities to effortlessly flow into your daily life. These 3 mirrors work harmoniously together to completely rebuild your broken confidence and restore your natural state of pure inner joy. As you begin to deeply accept yourself, a miraculous shift happens within the invisible energetic field surrounding your entire physical body. This brings us to the profound law of attraction and the beautiful concept of energetic resonance in our daily human experience. When you genuinely love yourself, your personal vibrational frequency immediately rises, glowing like a brilliant lighthouse in a vast, dark ocean. This elevated frequency acts like a powerful magnet, naturally drawing in healthier relationships, better opportunities, and truly abundant life experiences daily. People will unconsciously respond to the deep respect you clearly show yourself, mirroring that exact same beautiful treatment back to you. You no longer tolerate toxic situations because your newly awakened soul simply cannot resonate with low vibrations of disrespect and pain. Every positive choice you make creates a beautiful ripple effect, slowly transforming not just your reality, but the entire world around you. To truly anchor this philosophy into your life, we must move from passive listening to active and intentional daily physical practice. I invite you to commit to 3 highly specific and transformational tasks that will completely rewire your brain for unconditional love. Task number 1 requires you to gently place your warm hand over your beating heart every single morning upon waking up. Take a deep breath, feel the rhythm of your life, and clearly say out loud, "I truly love and accept you." It might feel strange at first, but this simple physical connection sends a powerful signal of safety to your inner child. Task number 2 challenges you to honestly identify one specific area where you are currently accepting far less than your worth. Perhaps it is a draining friendship, an unfulfilling job, or a bad daily habit that constantly disrespects your bright future potential. Once you clearly identify this painful compromise, make a firm and unwavering decision to gracefully step away from that heavy burden. Task number 3 is to intentionally do one beautiful thing today, entirely and exclusively for your own pure and selfish joy. It does not need to be grand or expensive. It just needs to make your precious soul feel completely alive again. Buy yourself those vibrant, fresh flowers. Read that amazing book, or simply sit outside and watch the golden sunset in silence. These tiny moments of intentional delight act as powerful medicine, slowly healing the deep exhaustion caused by years of endless striving. Remember that true healing is never a perfectly straight line, but rather a beautiful spiral of continuous growth and gentle rediscovery. There will be difficult days when you completely forget your immense worth and accidentally slip back into old patterns of judgment. When this inevitably happens, please do not punish yourself further. Instead, offer yourself the exact same grace you would give others. Forgiveness is the absolute cornerstone of this entire journey, allowing you to gracefully begin again without carrying heavy emotional baggage forward. As you consistently practice these gentle mind shifts, you will eventually notice a profound sense of inner peace anchoring your days. The frantic need to constantly prove your value to the outside world will slowly dissolve into a quiet, unwavering inner confidence. You will finally understand that you do not need to be flawless to be entirely worthy of giving and receiving love. Your beautifully imperfect human existence is already a magnificent masterpiece, perfectly designed to experience the vast spectrum of life and emotion. Let us take a quiet moment right now to deeply integrate everything we have explored together in this sacred, healing space. Close your eyes softly, take a deep, calming breath, and visualize a warm, golden light completely surrounding your entire physical body. This brilliant light represents the infinite love of the universe, constantly flowing into you, washing away all lingering doubts and fears. You are entirely safe. You are deeply cherished. And your unique presence on this earth matters more than you can imagine. As you slowly open your eyes, carry this profound sense of inner warmth and absolute worthiness into the rest of today. The journey of loving yourself is truly the most important adventure you will ever embark upon during your precious human lifetime. It is the master key that effortlessly unlocks the heavy doors to true freedom, lasting happiness, and deeply meaningful human connections. Never underestimate the incredible power of a single kind thought directed toward yourself. It can literally change the trajectory of tomorrow. Step forward with immense courage, knowing that your beautifully healed heart will powerfully illuminate the dark paths for many others too. You hold the magical pen to write a completely new, empowering narrative for your life, starting right here and right now. Embrace your glorious journey of transformation with an open mind, a gentle spirit, and a fierce dedication to your own joy. Thank you for sharing your valuable time and beautiful energy with us today as we explored this deeply profound healing philosophy. Remember to always treat yourself with the utmost compassion, because you are truly the most precious investment you will ever make. Until we meet again, stay kind to yourself. Thank you for watching Gentle Mind Shift, where true transformation begins from within.